Yang ki cincau umat ki nong hi kai ki mat ni syate mrau habun ki liang ka thia ka dem kambyang na dang step mi hap ki ya ki hep red ban ai jing sta man ki por ngi hap mi sha surok ban dawa la ka hok bangi dei ban yo Rei om dan bas ngau rei om dan bas ngam mi sa ha ching leng ngo mi dawa ya ka ha kung ki nong hi kai kalawe ki hab red bakin shai pernai ki ching e ki babu nong hi kai ki ma labun teli ki snem Bangin prat ya ching shai dalin tiba min siam chong ni kar hem Katulom nong hi kai man ubnai kam tikna ki ching chen jar haying ni man Met ban min siam ni ai ki khna ban hi kai hap deng ching bat ching so sa Ni dawa ban siu no ki aerial badang sa DCRG kentiu arsha ban kentiu katulop pembalong lem ki wei ki nong hi kai ni kwa Ni dawa ya ka ha kung ki nong hi kai kalawe ki hab red bakin shai pernai Ki ching ki babu nong hi kai ki ma labun teli ki snem bangin prat ya ching shai dalin tiba min siam chong ni kar hem
Ano siya kabasdang yang kani ka program ng takasi ka program ka bang ipon kre manaw snem kakakadlo taring September mengikirake ya kalungku siam yung Reverend Thomas John ubadai ukpa yung ki alphabet Khasi siya bangin poy siya kapang masdang no yang program nukong aingun ublay Doai yang kamet kapan kabasyat kabaklan kabakot kabakya kabangila poy lang baro saudong Chagarilom Khasi West Ribhoy syakani kacaka chongi kaba day Pynursla civil subdivision kabadan kani ka Pynursla unit kabla aya ka sngi ka basit ka sngi ka ba tension kabanga adu cingkarmen nengkong namasa kani ka thang ka chungi hakini ki banai kalong kasoy medeng ka badap daul o baduslap Yang ay kublay Barang snongmo ebi kinong ikai Baro kibra poy keleng Syakani kejaka Kabagi perlong yang kani Thomas John Kejong sinem arah canar pulai Babia poy suk poy sain Hakani kejaka Keleng kono-kono Kejeng penwit halenti babiai Pilai warna cengai Pilai thai lai cerem Henry dak cingkemen bag cingfu sampai cuci pilih poi hakani kecaka kabangi labu lamang hak cingalam jong presiden Sri 24 war rengkan ban isa FC Sulai hibalawan man kapor bani kendo ini hakani kecaka kunggu ban priai yakani kakam mentakasni Yang semua ya keingetis baru akhirnya pakai perkenang. Hakani kasni nomor kasni sejai, kedai kasni kebangisang catat hayang Henry Piang tengkai lah kamen. Piang sem tengkai. Ialah kacang 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 cilam. Hendai bila poi. Hakan dia bercakap kapang ialah kos Sohra. Banyak dan lembat ni. Sungguh yai asliu. Congi. Conga civil solution. Mrs. I. Warjiri. Ibala pelai por kenang. Haka jingi kenduk. Banyak keren. Namata. Beindon nakal lembat ni. Banyak saksi lem. Yang ni. Ke program congi. Sungguh ya. Gunung yalang jong kecelah. Tukum lagi syukur yang kecuan cuki. Sa jangan dikacaka kepanggil lakot kerpang matak seni. Ngas ngungu ya. Baru kemisi mentah. Hagan kapor banyak pelanja kapor kapor cuki. Walang ngamla dan aku beli keti way. Kum Sherman jong kapur fly unit. Nga ay hagan kasul. Kapag kerpang syaki. Kibapoi, ki volunteers, bat ki investis baro ki beladan hagan kapor. Kublai sibon, ay kami cengi kanlong, babit ke babiang mentak sengi ke program cengi, kanlong kami yaibai.
Ini bat ke program ke jongi, in sedang lingkong ye ke opening song, ke long ke jingwai jol ke APSTA anthem, ngintur nginom syepti, ngan kerpadi Sir William, bin yalam yengi kini jingwai.
Ngintur ngin syepti nuse usapran, kadin maka ngin syapagin kan, wasiat batu ramano ngin yayo, ubat udombi syasalen yetkil o, ngintur syakajin yale, ngintur syakajin yale, ngintur syakajin yale, dasisya ngin sajo, dingho nabajen jadasi syakinwan, mun bana kumpi tauji sulaban, balui bajen nur usya lagi sleng, laken kang temen takashi tempertei, ngintur syakajin yale, ngintur syakajin yale, ngintur syakajin yale, dasisya ngin sajo, tesau dong kojen jadoyen banyale, ngan yen hakode ngalom ngambame, tamen sim kajong ngatosyo tanpa mo, utrai ulawen ya tabi kabadon. Ngintur
Bentapan impoi iaka opening prayer kabang yo na SD Karum Nuit Secretary Maulai Unit.
Ko pa chungi baha benai. Ing ainu yame lemba jong kene kapor ko bala siteng jong kene kasingi. Me lam mingi laduk dang step bang imi nala ki jong ki unit ki ba hapok ka jing kedop jong ka all primary teachers. Ngi syam bak ngi kenduk lang lemba jong kene ka khelip mat. Ha kene ka jaka ha Pynursla. Ka ba ka unit Pynursla ka pedang subha ban rakhe pendon buram ya kene kan lengko sngi jong Thomas Jun. Trabi e kumning ya lang ha kene kapor nado jong kene kapor ka bengis dang ya kene ka jingalang ka jongi. Ni duai khmat ka jong me tu don rengkat lembat ngi ha ka bengi senglang bada ka bengi pendon buram kum ka seng ha kene ka sngi ban ken mau e ya kene ka sngi jong upa jong kidak alfabet ABCD. Rabi ek ina duai khmat ka jong me barok ki unit ki bengiwan bani sim mentah. Ringkat lem bat ki syakri ki jong me ki bapet ki bapenyat ya ka jela ka ba e ki jong me. Ki don ringkat lem bat ni ha kini ka po. To ai ba ki ki bangi yo ha ka ba kum kani ki jing ilang. Ba ki jing penyat ke besat ke jong me. Ka bandon ringkat lem bat ni. Naduk basdang jong kini ka po. Haduk bandawai no jong kini ka singi barok si singi. Ida duai duk tribe it si benta kumbang ilayo sirau naduk i Jerman ibayalam. Baka jing yo yangi hapdeng jong kini ka singi kemarian ke bai tenat ke babah. Tu don kat lemru bat ngi ha kini ka po. Ban ai kemarian ke bab mdon kenu ke jing khanglat. Lani mdon kenu ke jing penwet. Nang bangila ko tribe it ya ka bangin yo ban pendon buram ha kini ka singi kom keseng na ka benta ka buram ke jong mehi don kat hoat ko try iki ki bangin sa pendap ha kini ka singi ki long ye ka ba meru me pedang hon hakmat ke thet ke jingi snai ke jong me tu yela mingi ko kenrat kat bangin don ha kini ke jingi lang ke jong ni ka buram ka jingo ni ai semi dang meng par ngingo hakakarteng ba emat bodon botam utrai jungi Jesus Christ. Amen.
Welcome song na po ka Pynursla Unit APSTA.
Pynursla Unit of APSTA welcomes you Sri Presultan Song, Deputy Chief Minister, Government of Meghalaya, the Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, and Sri Rakam Sangma, Honorable Education Minister and Guest of Honor of the Day. We welcome all our esteemed guests and invitees, all the members of the Executive Committee APSTA, central body under the able leadership of Sir Tony Ford Wah, President, and Sir F.C. Shulai, General Secretary. So here we go with a welcome song dedicated to our beloved Thomas Jones.
Tanganyika
Pynursla unit nakamenta ka Jones-I ka Jompi but mentang inyo pa ka welcome address na I President Johnny Master 24th War. Thank you so much Pynursla unit for the welcome song.
Sir Malcolm Carbudan, who is the chairman of Thomas Jones Celebration Committee 2023, who presides this meeting here today in Pynursla. First of all, I thank God for through His great love that APSTA, as we know, the All Primary School Teachers Association, gathered here today in Pynursla unit within the Pynursla Civil Subdivision. Today we celebrate the 174th death anniversary of Reverend Thomas Jones I and 181 anniversary of existing of school primary education in Khasi Jaintia. To highlight why APSTA celebrates Thomas Jones celebration every year, it is through our great leader, Mr. F.C. Shulai, through his leadership and great thought and broad-minded. He is our General Secretary and he is also the founder of the All Primary School Teachers Association. With his leadership, the APSTA fight the struggle and the problem of the teachers faced in the years before in the management of the district council. Through his leadership, we can brought the teachers from district council to the state government are we as now. Now, we are proud to get like him to be our leader. As a president of APSTA, I warm welcome the invitees, all the invitees from different departments, especially the SDO Civil, Mrs. I. Warjri, to be with us here today. I warm welcome all the staff from SDSEO in Shillong, Ba Joe Marwin and his team, Ba Arla Mare. I welcome you, sir. Thank you very much. You have spent your time to be with us here today. I warm welcome also the Rangba Shnong and Secretary from this local area. Especially, I warm welcome the three special invitees, that is the representative from NEMA and the representative of Pynursla Parish and the representative from Khasi Jaintia Hills Christmas Makeover 2023. I warm welcome also the guest of honor, Shri Rakam A. Sangma, the Education Minister to the State Government of Meghalaya. Thank you, sir, for your valuable time that we are here today to celebrate this day of the APSTA, remember the death anniversary of Sri Thomas Jones I. And also I warm welcome Sir Shri Preston Tinsam, Deputy Chief Minister of the Government of Meghalaya. Thank you, sir. You are here with us. This is the great day of our association. Since we have started this celebration since 1992, we are still continue till date. All the invitees who are present here, especially Sir H.M. Champliang, he is advisor to the education department of the government of Meghalaya. Thank you, sir. You are present here today. And also, if I have forgot, I welcome you all, especially the last but not the least. I warm welcome all the teachers from different districts, from different units, that through you are coming here today to make this function a great and grand success. I welcome also the press and media. If I have forgot someone, don't mind. Take this opportunity that I welcome all of you to
Ban pentrai sa shisian iaka ul pension scheme pembalong haki por menshwa Christian la kayeng andala no kamet ka APSTA kayeng bandawa kalama ka APSTA kan kawe hakari kaburom ai kan sahangi nong hikai primary ngin ya long shiteli jing chop ngin nang yo.
Now I will hand over the rest of the program to my co-host, Mrs. Vigonia Nongkyo. Thank you.